Hi and welcome to SM Tech Villa. I'm Sadia. Today we are having our third class of AI course. In last lecture we had some introduction about intelligent agents. Today we will be learning the first type of intelligent agent. So the topic is Simple Reflex Agent. So what is Simple Reflex Agent? It is the agent that takes immediate and sudden actions. Let's take an example to understand immediate action. Let's say that you accidentally touched something hot like hot water. What will you do in that situation? Obviously, you will immediately take back your hand. This is the action and you take this action without thinking. So such type of actions are said to be immediately taken without thinking much. If we talk about it in terms of artificial intelligence, then intelligent agent that takes immediate actions after perceiving something from its environment is said to be a simple reflex agent. The second important point here is that simple reflex agent has no percept history. What is meant by that? As you know that all types of intelligent agents perceive something from its environment, and simple reflex agent is the one that perceives something from its environment in the current state or situation and takes immediate action, but it won't store whatever it has perceived in its memory. So it will forget about this situation after taking action. So they have no percept history, and that is the reason they don't need to have much memory. So here the question arises, if they don't have any percept history, then how do they take decision about their actions? Well, simple reflex agent is fully based on its program. It uses if this then that rule to take action. Let's take an example. Vacuum cleaner is the example of simple reflex agent. It acts using if else rule. Like if the room is dirty, starts cleaning it, else don't clean. The last point that needs to be mentioned here is that our intelligent agents can work in two types of environment. The first one is the partially observable environment. It is actually the environment in which all states are not observable. Like if you take an example of it, let's say that self-driving car is the intelligent agent that works in this type of environment. It cannot see all states of the environment from its source to the goal state or its destination. The environment keeps changing all the time. So this is the partially observable environment. While the second type of environment is the fully observable environment. So simple reflex agents work in such environment. So vacuum cleaner can see all the states, or you can say it can observe its overall environment. Let's say that the environment is the room, so it can observe everything inside the room and checks if it's dirty or not and starts cleaning it. So that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Please comment and share this video with others and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of the future videos. Thank you so much and goodbye.